Good morning and Jai Hind dear students. This is your facilitator Shabnam Ara. Think of a time when England's theatres were opened again. Political satire became a thing and literature was born again. Welcome to the Restoration period from 1660 to 1700. And the best part is, at the center of it all is John Dryden, the father of English criticism, a foremost poet and ordinary playwright of the age. What you are going to see: biographical information on Dryden's life, his famous works, and how Dryden impacted literature during Restoration period. What was Restoration period? Definition: the period following the restoration of William and Mary to the throne. Important developments in Restoration literature: the emergence of theatrical activities for entertainment after ban issued by the Puritan. A new type of comedy known as the comedy of manners became popular, the satirical and witty plays. There are three historical events which deeply influenced the life and literature of the age of Dryden. They are the restoration of Charles II to the throne in 1660, the religious and political controversies and Popish plot, and Golden Revolution of 1668. The restoration of Charles II to the English throne brought about a revolution in English literature. The Puritan regime of Oliver Cromwell had been too severe that suppressed too many natural impulses. With the restoration, there was a violent reaction against the Puritan restraints. ओलिवर क्रॉमवेल के प्यूरिटन रेजीम ने इतनी सख्तियां बढ़ा दी थीं कि इस रेजीम के अगेंस्ट रिवोल्ट पूरी तरह से हो गया था। प्यूरिटन रेस्ट्रेंट एंड रिजिडिटी ने सोसाइटी को अबेंडेंट कर दिया था और डिसेंसी ऑफ लाइफ, कोर्ट के रेवरेंस को भी पूरी तरह से छीन कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की धज्जियां उड़ गईं। एज इफ इट सीम्स दैट इंग्लैंड इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर. The king was a rake, totally immoral person. He has a number of mistresses and numerous illegitimate children, नाजायज औलादें। और ये सब इस टाइम के लिटरेचर में रिफ्लेक्ट भी हुआ, स्पेशली इन ड्रामास, और ये आफ्टर ओपनिंग थिएटर दिखा भी। The plays of Dryden, the most representative poet of the time, reflected this immortality and coarseness of life in ample measure. The big incident, the plague that follow and regarded as suitable punishment for the profligate and selfish king. Practically the whole London was burned and countless died of plague. हजारों लोग लंदन से कंट्री साइड की तरफ फ्लड हुए. While London was suffering, the court was equally dishonorable. Another feature of the era is the bitterness of political and religious passions. The country was divided into two political parties. Number one, the Whigs, who sought to limit the royal power in the interest of people and parliament. And the second, the Tories, who supported the divine right, the theory of king, and strove to check the growing power of the people in the interest of their hereditary rulers. The rise of these political parties gave a fresh importance to the writers of the time. Both parties had their supporters. A large number of literary ability rose in favor of their supporters. They bribed. Hardly a writer of the day is free from his political bias. For example, Dryden ably advocated Troy for the cause of his monarch. Religious controversies की bitterness, कड़वाहट इतनी बढ़ गई थी कि प्रीवियस रेजीम के सपोर्टर्स फैनेटिकली परसिक्यूटेड किए जा रहे थे. The nation was predominantly Protestant. Catholics labored under a number of disabilities. They were suspected and had to pay higher taxes. They were not permitted to hold any office under the crown. This intense hatred colors all the writings of the time. इस intense hatred ने उस समय की writings को पूरी तरह से रंगा हुआ था. As we know, Charles II had no legitimate child. कोई भी उसकी अपनी जायज़ औलाद नहीं थी. And his brother James was a Roman Catholic. He was a papist. So it was certain that James ही throne को succeed करेगा. Therefore, a vigorous efforts were made by the Earl of Shaftesbury to exclude James from the throne and secure it for the Duke of Monmouth. The famous poem of Dryden, Absalom and Achitophel is only one of the countless works which reflects these religious and political conflicts of the day. The bloodless revolution of 1688 called the Protestant William and Mary of Orange to the throne, and it indicates that the country was restored once again to health and sanity after the fever of immorality and corruption from which it had suffered since the Restoration. From political drama to the birth of modern theatre, John Dryden helped and shaped English literature forever. So this is the social background in Restoration era after Puritan age. If you want to see more literary history, so subscribe for more deep dive. Thank you and Jai Hind.